We've treated the sky as a dumping ground for carbon, but the atmosphere isn't the only victim of our emissions. The ocean, our planet's great blue heart, has been silently absorbing nearly a third of that carbon waste, and it is suffering a parallel crisis: ocean acidification. As seawater takes in massive amounts of carbon dioxide, its fundamental chemistry changes. The pH drops. This makes it harder for vital marine organisms, from the corals that build reefs to the tiny plankton that form the base of the food web, to construct their shells and skeletons. This is the acidification bottleneck. It's a crisis that threatens to unravel marine ecosystems and, just as critically, weakens the ocean's very ability to absorb carbon in the future. So, how do we intervene? The solution may lie in accelerating one of nature's slowest and most powerful processes: rock weathering. This is enhanced weathering. The concept is straightforward. We take specific types of silicate rocks, like basalt, and grind them into a fine powder. This powder is then spread over agricultural land or, for maximum impact, added directly to the ocean. When this mineral dust dissolves in water, it triggers a powerful chemical reaction. It pulls dissolved carbon dioxide from the water and converts it into stable bicarbonate ions. Think of it as a planetary-scale antacid. This process does two crucial things at once. First, it locks that carbon away for tens of thousands of years, permanently removing it from the active carbon cycle. Second, it raises the ocean's pH, directly counteracting the acidification that threatens marine life. It's one of the only techniques that offers both atmospheric carbon removal and a direct cure for the ocean's chemical crisis. And as a co-benefit, when used on land, the rock dust enriches soil, boosting crop yields. But there's a catch. The promise of this geochemical fix is met with an industrial-sized dilemma. To remove billions of tons of carbon, we would need to mine, transport, and pulverize hundreds of millions of tons of rock every single year. We'd be building an industry on the scale of the global coal trade, and its entire supply chain would have to be fully decarbonized to provide any net benefit. And the ecological questions are just as massive. What are the risks of introducing such vast quantities of mineral dust into coastal or open ocean environments? Could it harm marine life by changing water clarity or introducing trace metals? Enhanced weathering is not a simple solution. It's a powerful tool, but one that demands caution. It requires massive investment, rigorous scientific monitoring, and a global commitment to responsible deployment. We must ensure that in our quest to heal the ocean, we don't inadvertently create a new catastrophe. The Ocean Alchemist offers a path, but it's one we must walk with immense care.